I'm fixing what you broke. You see? No mirror. You broke the mirror. See, look, it's in my hands. It's not good. So, kid broke the mirror, and I'm gotta fix it. You know, I bought this thing that says rear view mirror adhesive, extreme strength.
Oh yeah.
Use on metal buttons only.
Gonna
Let's slide in like this.
Whoa.
No, Bob.
You broke it.
No, you broke it.
I broke it?
Yes, you broke it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it goes like this. I was doing it backwards. Backwards, and then you just push it in till it clips in. Okay. It's not gonna hold if I glue it on top of this. This glue is like rubbery. There's barely anything in there. So I only got one try to get this to be successful. Little alcohol towel. So you gotta wipe it with alcohol from all the dirt, all the sanding dust, all the wipe your button. The side that's gonna be glued to the window. Okay, hopefully that's enough. Because when I press it onto the windshield, it's gonna what's it called, push it to the sides. Okay, now holding it for a minute. It says you can put the windshield, you could put the rear view glass in 30 minutes, but I'm not even gonna try. I don't wanna ruin it. Gonna hold on or not? Oh, what the heck? The glue's still wet. No, I'm not gonna try it. Look. What type of glue? It's still wet from next day. That is some BS. That is some BS. What the heck? How can that be? It hasn't been cold enough. Maybe because it hasn't been hot enough. I don't know. Does the glue still look wet? Still looks wet to me. I don't know what the heck. How is that the strongest glue if it doesn't dry up? It said it should be dry within 30 minutes. It's been 2 days and I still don't understand what's going on. Okay, so moment of truth. If this breaks off, I'll be pissed. I'll be pissed. Okay, it clipped in. Nah, sucks this white is visible. Thought it was gonna get covered somehow. I'm gonna have to get some black paint and dab it on that.